Well, why are you here? Me and my best friend were talking in class, and shouldn't she be here too? Anyways, Miss Johnson told us to be quiet, and I said, hold on. And she said, I'll wait. And I was like, okay, wait then. And she said, oh, well, go to the office. Olivia, this is your billionth time getting sent here. It's not my fault that I'm always here. There's 27 students in that class, and I'm always the one getting sent to the office. Fan behavior. I'll be emailing and calling your mom. Call her, and she's sleeping, so she's gonna scream at you. And I need to go to the bathroom. I've been holding my pee for 2 hours now. No, you're staying right there. Well, I'm going. How about that? Okay, today we are going to talk about what we would do if there was a fire in the building. I'm running home as fast as I can, and if you're in my way, I'm going to push you. Go to the nearest window and jump. No, we will calm down and line up quietly. You want us to stay happy and joyful while we burn? Line up quietly. Is the fire sleeping? If everyone starts screaming, I won't be able to take attendance to see who's missing. Take attendance while the fire eats us? What if everyone started running and someone behind you trips and falls? That's their fault. They should have run faster. You know what? We're gonna hide under our desk. What is the fire doing? Playing hide and seek? You are also leaving everything behind in class, including your backpacks. Miss Johnson, do you want to pay for my AirPods, makeup, brush, curling iron, lashes? Miss Johnson, do you also want to pay for my phone? Because I'll bring the whole chair and desk if I have to. I'm not leaving my $80 backpack here. Again, we will calm down because I will not open the door until we are in a single file line. What if a student was burning? You're going to tell them to calm down, honey? She's going to tell them to stop, drop, and roll. How about we tie you up in that chair and let you burn? How about that? Are you going to Jacob's party after school? I don't know. I've been thinking about it. Are you? I saw his mom at the store last week and I was like, hey, did I tell you about my dad? He didn't let me hang out with my friends last week. Really? I'm sorry. I keep looking at your shoes. They look so good. When'd you get it? I got it like 2 weeks ago when I got my haircut. Wait, should I get a haircut? I've been thinking about getting one. To be honest, I like it that way. And oh my god, did I tell you I almost drowned 3 days ago? No, you didn't tell me. Yes, I jumped in the pool and it was like 12 feet and I went all the way down to the bottom, but I survived. That's how my dad met my mom. Oh, really? Yes, because he saved her from drowning. Did I tell you about my neighbor this morning? He was staring at me when I threw the trash out. This morning, my cat was inside my trash can. Oh my god, this morning I was so sleepy and fed my dog cat food. Why would you do that? I didn't know I ran out of dog food, so I went to the store and got some more. Guess who called me last night? Kevin. Yes, and he's like, do you want to drive with me in my new car? Have you seen Kayla's car? It's so cute. I was with her when she bought it. Really? Yes, and she was farting all day. When we're talking about a party? We were? Where is the itch? I can't find it. There's something in my skin. Is there a bed bug in there? What in the fuck? Is there something wrong with her? What is she doing? Olivia, what are you doing? Did you take a shower? Yes! Okay, class, what are we? Miss Johnson, I think there's something inside of her. It's not going away. Olivia, do you need to go to the nurse's office? No, I'm good. No, you need to go and stay there. How about that? Olivia, look at my new boyfriend. Isn't he so hot? What is that? What do you mean? Nothing. That's him? Your boyfriend? Yes. Isn't he so cute? Yeah. Yep. Like, just look at him. Yeah, he's fine. Hey, but you could do so much better. What was that? Nothing. I said, okay, good for you. Thank you. Oh my god, I think me and him were meant to be. Let me see him again. Isn't he like so fine? He looks like a zombie. What? Nothing. I feel like you're lying. No, I'm not. He's really cute. Right? I just want to like put this picture on the frame and put it on my room. Ava, the taste you have in men is interesting. What was that? Never mind. I mean, as long as you're happy, right? Oh, I'm really happy. He's so hot. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Olivia, when did you get glasses? I got them yesterday. Olivia, take them off. Can you still see me? Wait, I can't kill it. Oh my god, where'd you go? Yes, I can still see you. Can you see them really quick? Yeah, sure. How many fingers am I holding up? Are you serious? 4. Okay, what about this one? Ava, I'm not blind. Olivia, how many fingers am I holding up? 628. 2, Ashley. How about now? What are y'all doing? I can still see, it's just blurry. Why do you need glasses then? So I can have a special ability to see the dinosaurs outside. Wait, Emily, give it to me. Oh my god, why is it like that? Wait, I wanna try. How can you see with this? What are y'all doing? Those are expensive, you're gonna break it. Okay, my turn. What? I wanna try. Oops, sorry. I can't see anything. Let me see it. Everyone's fingerprints are the damn lenses. Are we both just gonna stay here all day like this? Yes, because you're getting in my nerves. I'm not even doing anything. I'm telling you the truth. No, you're not. It's obvious you're lying. What? How? Because you keep laughing and smiling. How am I supposed to believe you? I'm like this all the time. I can't help it. I'm not lying. Okay, then look at me in the eyes without laughing. Okay. I swear you better not laugh. I'm not. Exactly. I can't control it. Yeah, because you're lying. No, because you're the one making me laugh. Your face looks funny. What? That makes no sense. Yeah, because you were staring into my soul and you look so damn serious. It's like you want to throw me out a window or something. I'm asking you a simple question and you keep laughing. I laugh at everything. You should know me by now. Exactly, so you're not telling me the truth. I am! Okay, one more chance. Look at me with a straight face. Ew. Ashley, can you take pictures of me, please? Yeah, sure. Why are you tilting the phone? I don't know. Don't tilt it, because all the pictures are gonna look like this. Okay. Just keep taking it, don't stop. Are we done? We just started. No, we're not done. Oh my god. Ashley, you're not even holding and looking at the phone right. I am. Let me see. What the hell are these? You're taking pictures of my neck. Take more. Here. You only took 3. I want like 300. I swear, if all those pictures are blurry. What are you even doing? What is this? Let me see. Ashley, you're taking a picture of me, not the tree. None of this look cute. Look like a blobfish. Well, that's you, not the pictures. They're all blurry. I wish I could step out my own body and take my own damn pictures. Oh my god, let me retake it. Here. Take more. Let me see it. Are they good? No! Yeah, she's like, honey, I just want the best for you. I know. Yep, I'm just gonna wait. Jacob, wake up. I wasn't even sleeping, bro. Who took my phone? I left it on the table. What is that smell? Is everyone farting in here? I need everyone to... Wait, who? My best friend and my ask. You know what, everyone? Enough! Oh my god. Kayla, I can see you. Stop looking at me. You looked at me first. The both of you, stop! Mom, I don't want to be here. And Jessica, you're in summer school because you ditch class almost every day. Where do you go? To Antarctica and party with the penguins. To be honest, I really don't have to be here. I finished school. I graduated. I need to use the bathroom really bad. No. Ava, is the bathroom your best friend? Okay, then I'll do it right here. Kayla, stop looking at me. My laptop. The both of you out. How about that? Why does she bring this every day? No! Don't touch that! She carries it everywhere with her. That's mine! Mom, are you okay? I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Stop touching things! It's a Lysol. My mom gave it to me. I'm so confused. Me and my mom was cleaning the bathroom and she saw a snake in the toilet and she started screaming and she gave this to me to spray on the snake and it did nothing. Did you think it was a disappearing spray? We both laughed and I thought it was harmless, so I threw the snake at her. She got scared and she threw it back to me. Why were y'all playing with the snake? It's not a basketball. We kept throwing at each other because I didn't want the snake and it both bit us. What did you think it was gonna do? Kiss you? I survived and she did it and this was the last thing she gave and handed to me. I would spray it in my mouth for breakfast, lunch, and dinner because I can just taste her. What the fuck? Why were y'all even throwing the snake to each other like it was some boomerang? Stop asking me questions! How about that? Best friend, go look at the TikTok I sent you. I already saw this. You did? Okay, hold on. Let me send you another one. There. Oh, I saw this yesterday and I didn't find it funny at all. What about this one? I already saw this too. There's this trend on TikTok and I saw this video. There, I sent it to you. I saw this 2 weeks ago. Did you even watch the TikToks I sent you yesterday? No, why are you always sending me 30 to 60 videos every day? I don't have time to watch all of that. What is this, homework? Did you even watch the TikToks I sent you this morning? No. What the f? Oh my god. Are you okay? Who's making that noise? Is she alright? Olivia, talk. You're squeezing yourself. Olivia, breathe. Because of... Miss Johnson, I think you need to call the ambulance. Olivia, are you okay? Why is everyone asking if she's okay? Does she look okay? Oh! I think she's turning into a dinosaur. Can someone help her? It hurts. Why is everyone just staring at her? Ava, help her. What do you want me to do, Kayla? Open her lungs? Oh, it's gone. Okay, what the fuck? Olivia, I thought you were dying. What was that? It was nothing. It looked like you got freaking stabbed. I get that all the time, but I'm fine now. I thought you were having a heart attack. I was about to call the SWAT team. I saw this roller coaster and I was like, let me try that. So I waited in line for like 25 minutes. Last time I rode one, I had to wait for like an hour. So then it was my turn. I sat down and I was like, oh my god, I'm so scared. And then he's like, are you all ready? And my seatbelt was still up. And I was like, wait, hold on. And then he said, I'm kidding. And I was like, no, don't do that. And then we both started laughing. Ooh. What was that? A snake. It was gum. Ew, I'm putting this on Snapchat. Did that thing just come out your mouth? Yes, it was an accident. Y'all look, Olivia's gum fell out of her mouth and it's on the floor. Ew! Olivia, you're disgusting. I didn't even do it on purpose, it just fell out my mouth. Did you pick it up, Olivia? Yes, can everyone stop looking at me now? Enough! I'm gonna stick this all to the walls. How about that? Saying the joke? Yes, Olivia. Do you get the joke? Yep. Olivia, can you stop? Olivia, you're taking this too far. No, because... Oh my god. Why are you not laughing? Because it wasn't that funny. I can't. Enough. The joke was 7 minutes ago. I know, but... Okay, I'm done. Hey. Hi. How was your weekend? It was good. Really? Well, so was mine. I love your shirt. Oh, really? I bought it yesterday. Yeah, it's so cute. I like your style. Thank you, and you're really pretty. I'm pretty? Well, I know. You are too. You're so sweet. And your hair, it looks healthy. That looks dead. I just brush it every day, and you should color your hair red too. It would look cute. Thank you, but I think I'm gonna stay with this color. I don't really like red. I don't want to look like... Never mind. Oh, okay, and you should come hang out with me, Olivia, and my friends this weekend. Yeah, I would love that. I want to see all your friends. Nope! Do you not see what she's doing? What? She's being nice. No, she's being fake. What? You're such a snake. Such a snake. Is this the room I'm supposed to go to? Well, well, hello there, Kayla. Yes, take a seat. Did y'all miss me? Kayla, your breath. Please don't. Kayla, why are you here? She failed PE. Is that true? Yes, because every day the coach would be like, run, Kayla, come on, run. 2 more laps. And I was running out of breath, and so I would just be like, how about you run? Bitch. Why is it so hot in here? I don't know, Emma. Maybe because it's summer and there's a sun right outside pointing at us. Can someone turn on the AC? Of course, Emma. Go buy one really quick, then come back here, and then you can turn it on. The only reason I'm here is because I failed my finals because photomath wasn't working. Sorry, we can solve this problem, but we will soon. I don't understand why this school is so obsessed with us. Like, they just can't get enough, so they have to invite us back. Right? It's giving fan behavior. I'm not the one who needs to pass. I graduated, and you know what? I'm gonna give y'all a science packet, and no one is leaving this room until it's finished. How about that?